To ensure the viability of sophisticated wireless data applications, for example video streaming, a high-quality link over the air interface is required. In standard GPRS, this is only possible to a limited degree, as there are only 4 fixed coding schemes which are activated for the handset or service capabilities. In contrast, EGPRS link adaptation chooses either GMSK or 8PSK modulation, as well as a variety of coding schemes to provide an optimum protection and throughput for the air interface. Twice as many time slots can be allocated if the bit rate per time slot is reduced by 50% for a better protection of the signal. Thus, link adaptation tries to maximize throughput or minimize delay. This helps to ensure the constant data rate for real-time services, which have to be guaranteed by vendor-specific enhancements. Link adaptation is based on new, more careful measurement algorithms for the air interface interference level and a derived bit error probability, or BEP. Additionally, a second mechanism called incremental redundancy is added to guarantee a highly reliable data communication link.